What is going on, guys? Glyn here. I'm really excited to announce on the 13th of July at 10 AM EST, we are going live with Neo Commissions, and it would be awesome to have all of you guys that are looking at this video, looking at the JV page right now to promote this brand new software launch. Now, if you're not on the JV page, click the button around this video or below this video to navigate over there. And once you are on this page, you will find all the information you need to promote this launch. In short, it's a cloud-based app which uses a super secret underground covert method and strategy to get your subscribers, your tribe, the traffic, leads, and sales and commissions that they truly deserve and need in 2021. Now, when you're on the JV page, you'll find out more information about this software, how it works, and all that good stuff. You can copy and paste this information on your review pages, your bonus pages, whatever you do to promote this product. You'll also find information about the high converting funnel that we have in place, which will provide your customers with congruent upsells and upgrades, but also help you guys generate a lot more money in commissions. You'll also find information about the cash prize contest. As always, we're giving away a lot of money in cash prizes to all of our top affiliates, so please consider promoting this one. Also, grab your email swipes as well. Feel free to edit them, maybe customize them a little bit to your kind of language, the way you talk to your tribe, but they will be good email swipes to get you going. Also, we've got some great product graphics that you can use. Maybe you can save these images and put them on your review pages, your bonus pages, whatever you do, use whatever we provide you, because we're trying to help you make as much money as possible when you do promote this product. Now, do we reciprocate? Of course we do, guys. You can ask your friends, ask other people in the industry. Personally, I send hundreds of sales to all of our affiliates. Maybe some launches only get maybe 20, 30, 40 sales. Other launches 100, 200, 300. So if your launch, your products is a fit for my list, my subscribers, I know my audience is gonna react very well with it. I will be there to promote your launch and I will reciprocate. So please consider promoting our launch on Tuesday, the 13th of July, Neo Commissions, and for sure, I will have your back in the near future. So if you do need any other information, any other stuff like access or the document, please hit me up as soon as possible and I will send that over to you. But on the JV page, as always, I will have the links to the sales page preview, the links to the document, and link to your email swipes. So if you want to easily bank 5 figures or more on Tuesday, the 13th, please consider promoting Neo Commissions. As I said, all the information will be on this page and on the sales page preview. There's gonna be a lot more information, and the document is always updated throughout the launch, and there'll be more information there. So guys, I wanna say a massive thanks for promoting this one on the 13th. I will hopefully see you on the leaderboard. And finally, I do wanna say a massive shout out and thank you to everyone who always comes out to promote our products. It really does mean a lot to me. And as I always say, in this industry, in this business, we are launching products a lot of the time. So we do have to sort of support each other ongoing. So a massive thanks to everyone who always does come out for us. So Neo Commissions, Tuesday the 13th of July. I'm sure I'll be seeing you on that leaderboard and I'll be paying you those cash prizes just a few short days later. I'll speak to you real soon. Any questions, hit me up at any time during the launch. Thanks a lot, guys, and I will speak to you real soon.